Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we are going to be teaching my nephew Landon about stocks, trading. He's never, actually we did make a video.
We made one video about it, but I was like 3 or 2.
Yeah, a long time ago. So hopefully he does well. We're going to be talking about like what is a stock, what's trading, different ways to make money from stocks. I'm sure he's going to have questions. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing in the market, check out our school. And since Landon's here, we're going to be doing a 50% off. We'll do 51% off of the course by using code LANDON. Since he's with us, we're going to
LANDON.
Exactly. So if you guys want to sign up, make sure you guys click that link, sign up, and we will see you guys in there. So let's jump into this here. So we have our broker, which is MOOMOO. This is like how you buy and sell stocks. So the first thing we want to talk about is what is a stock. Okay. So a stock represents ownership in a company. We did talk a little bit about it earlier, but simply as a company makes more money, often the stock goes up, right? Okay. So there's a million different ways you can make money from stocks. One of the ways that I do it is trading. So trading is getting in and out of positions in a short amount of time.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you pretty much buy when the stock is lower and try to sell at a higher price in simple terms.
Okay.
Okay. So there's certain things. Actually, there's 2 ways you can trade. You can day trade, and then there's swing trading. Okay.
Right.
So day trading is where you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day.
Oh. Okay.
So it's simple, right?
So you just trade it during the day.
Right. Yeah. So you buy it in the morning and sell in the afternoon. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then there's swing trading where you buy it and you hold it for a couple of days. You hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. Okay. Mm-hmm. So what's day trading?
A day trading is where you trade it in the day.
Right. And then swing
trading is where you hold it for a couple days, then trade it.
Yeah, you hold the position. Yeah. Okay. So with stocks, there's indicators kind of like this here. So this right here represents a stock chart. So you can see where the stock kind of goes up and then sells off. Okay. So often what we see is a stock that has that like a nice buying, good trend where you can see the stock go, down here it kind of shows the stock price, see 21. Mm-hmm. So you can see the stock has gone from about $21 to $34. Yeah. So often this means like they'll have good, they'll just make more money simply. Yeah. So we also have these. You see this blue line?
Yeah.
So this is a moving average line, it's called. So you can see, look back right here. What do you notice about right in here? Does this right here and right here? Okay, what do you notice there? If you notice anything, if not, it's not a big deal.
I don't really notice anything.
Okay. So you notice where it almost kind of hits it and it moves up. You see it hits it and it moves up, hits it and moves up.
Yeah.
So this is what you call a support line. So support is where you want to try to enter the stock.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So often what a lot of traders do and what I like is to enter on these lines. Okay.
Okay.
Because look what happened, right? The stock sold off to that line, and what happened immediately?
It dropped.
It sold off, and then what happened?
It dropped, then went back up.
Exactly. So where would you want to buy the stock?
You'd want to buy it.
Would you want to buy it simple? Would you want to? I'll give you multiple choice. Up here or here?
Right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Exactly. So moving average line. So this blue line is pretty much like a indicator to possibly enter stock. Okay. And we also have, you never want to just look at one thing to determine if you should buy it. Okay. You see this green line down here? Mm-hmm. So it's called the RSI line. Okay. Mm-hmm. So it stands for the relative strength index. You don't really have to pay too much attention to what it stands for, but look at the time here, it was trading for a 27. You can see off to the side. Okay. The last time it was trading for 27 was right here. What happened right after it hit that point?
It went back up.
Exactly. So now, where would you want to buy it? You want to buy it on this moving average line when the RSI is low.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Another thing you can do is look at a different time frame. Okay. You see kind of how like the chart instantly changed?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we did is you see where it says 1H?
Yeah. 1 hour.
Yeah. So now each one of these represents 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay. And this right here, the 1D, one of these represents 1 day.
Okay.
Okay. So when for swing trading, when you want to hold a position for a couple of days, you'll often look at the daily chart, right? And then what I do is I look at the hourly for the entry point. So you see this red line.
Yeah.
You see how it hits this line and it just keeps going lower and lower. This is a downward trend line, okay? So what you can do is you can enter the stock on that breakout. So you see where it kind of popped up here?
Yeah.
This would have been the best entry point for a stock, okay? So the reason why is because it's outside of that trend. So you see the downward trend here? So now here we had this. We had followed by this great move, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to quiz you on this before this video is over, okay? So where would you want to buy it? I'll give you multiple choice. Here, or here?
There.
Right here, exactly. Okay. So now here, you could enter here on that breakout, keep your stop loss just like, okay, like you the max amount of money you're willing to lose. I know it's probably a lot at once, but all right. So we're gonna show another stock, and we're gonna see how good you've done in the matter of 5 minutes. All right. So hourly chart, very, very similar. Okay.
Yeah.
I kind of just gave you a little clue if you were looking.
Yeah, I was.
Okay. Where would you want to enter this stock? Would you want to enter it here, or on the breakout?
On the breakout.
Exactly. So you could enter here, keep your stop loss, which is just the max amount of money you're willing to lose, right here. And also, let's look at, what does 1D mean? Do you remember?
1 day.
Okay. So each one of these represent what?
1 day.
Exactly. And what do we notice here? It's a little similar, a little different about this moving average line. This one here kind of sold off. You can see below it.
Yeah. Like when it like basically hit it started going right.
Exactly.
Back up.
So also, what's this? Do you remember what this is?
Like
Your
RSI.
Exactly. Yes. So this right here is trading for 28. Okay. The last time it was trading for it was here, and what happened?
It dropped.
Right, sold off.
But then it went right back up.
Yeah. So now what we did is we made a little checklist. So now if you want to buy a stock, upward trend, moving average line, breakout on the hourly time frame.
Yeah.
Exactly. So guys, this is literally teaching my nephew to trade stocks. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to use code LANDON for 51% off. We'll put it down below. What's included in that is my course that, I do every single day. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything you guys need to take trading seriously. So if Landon can do it, I think you guys can do it too. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Peace.